Alright, check this out. Full assembled. And even the seat, everything, even the mud guards, everything assembled. So we just need to pull out and open up. You need to remove this piece in order to fold it. The battery inside, so it's removable battery. Foldable, everything. The seat actually looks really good. Wow, and also look on this post. They're making really good bicycle with a long pole. Actually, this one is the simplest assembly. So basically no assembly because it's already assembled. So it comes with a charger and manual as well. And so far I'm impressed with the quality of the seat, but the color is amazing. So what you would need to do, you would need to unleash this latch. Okay, so it will move and it will be easy to bring it up. So once you bring it up, you just close this latch automatically and you set up the handlebars the way you want and close this latch. That's it. And to remove rest of the cover, and I'm impressed so far. It's actually one of the easiest assembly, and fork actually is good as well. And so far I'm really impressed so far. I'm not sure how fast it will go, and it's locking, really good quality. The handlebar, everything looks good, it's very solid. Alright, so the bike actually came full assembled, real nice seat, both mudguard or fenders, whatever you call it. It looks like it's metal one, good quality, painted. The paint, it really looking good on the sun. It actually have some sparkles, so it looks really good. Handlebar looks very solid. I like the latch, it's very solid. And over here as well, no shaking. The pedals came foldable, which is good. It takes less space in the car. Suspension, front suspension, like fork, it looks good. It's actually have about 1 or 2 inches move, but over here no adjustments. So again, it's just a basic, should be affordable bike under $800, but it's still a really good price. I think after the discount it's like amazing price. With the headlight, I'm gonna weigh the bicycle and I'll tell you at the end of the video exactly the weight, because I'm gonna weight my own. But yeah, it's about 60 something, maybe 65, maybe less. I'm gonna weight it and tell you. So everything was already done to go and ride it. So it takes only like 10-15 minutes to remove from the box and go to ride. And it's the most affordable bike, as I said before. It comes with 350 motor, which is not as large, 48 watt, but 350. It does comes with options to attach the rack over here. Okay, and it's 6-speed gear, 3 pedal assist levels, and pretty nice display. It works daytime bright. When it's bright, you can see percentage on the left side. Over here you see the battery, mileage, the trip, you can see odometer reading, also the time of the riding. So I give you some information. This handlebar is like 23 inches wide, pretty good so far. This one is from rubber, also very solid. So the bike feels really solid, with also with some horn. 160 millimeter disc brakes, which is we're gonna check right now, and I'm gonna go for a ride to check the speed and to see how it actually rides, because so far it looks great. The frame a little bit higher than some of the bikes, but it's pretty good for this step over bike, so it looks really good. That's how it will look once you fold it. So handlebar is foldable, the battery it's removable. It's right here, the lock it's underneath, you need to unlock it and pull it out. I noticed it was hard to pull it out but the battery stay very good inside, so there's no any noise when you're riding it. So far the quality it's really good actually, and it's a solid bike. So I'll go for a ride now and see how the bicycle. So far it's great, very comfortable riding. I'm gonna do the speed test to see how fast it will go, throttle only, and later on I might do with a pedal assist. So far it's 12 miles an hour, 13, 14, 15 on GPS and 14 on the display. GPS always 3 miles, 2 miles less, so it says 14 and a half, and over here it's 15, pretty good. So it's I think it's actual mileage, it's about 18 miles an hour. It's a little bit faster than just about Pro. Let's turn around and do one more test. And the speed also depends on the tires, how much you inflate the tires. So far looks like 15 on GPS, 14 and a half on display on the bike. So it shows actually a little bit less on display than actual mileage on GPS. It's 15, so I would assume it's going at the same speed, about 18 miles an hour on average. And I weigh about 215 pounds. So looks like it's max speed, let's say 18 based on GPS, and on the display show me only 14 and a half. But the bike design up to 16 miles, so if you're lighter you might get 19 miles an hour actual mileage. Okay, and I'm gonna go just for a ride right now to see how the bicycle with pedal assist. I'll go with level 1, and so far, and I'm riding on the gear 5, which is pretty good actually. The position on this bike is pretty comfortable. The grip is good, very good grip. The rubber grip actually really feels good. I didn't do any adjustment to this bike actually. I didn't set up a gear, anything, or brakes. It's just right out of the box. That's exactly what you're gonna get most likely. And level 1, it's going about 8 miles an hour, and level 2 it will go about 12, so it's actually 15 miles. And level 3 it's going about, as you saw before, 14 up to 40 miles. And riding the bike, you might be going faster if you pedal it, but you have 6 gears to change the speed. The suspension pretty good actually. The front fork suspension is pretty good, even it's not adjustable, but so far it looks good, feels good. So I'm gonna try right now to pedal to see how fast I can do on this bike. Okay, it's 16 on 17 on GPS, 18. So it depends. Okay, 18. So 17 on display. So the speed can go faster because you have a depend how much you want to pedal it. So it can be fast if you pedal it, basically you get some workout. But if you're going on the level 3, it gives you about 16 to 18 miles an hour. Okay. But it feels very solid and nice maneuver bike, and I cannot still believe that it's that cheap. The original price is like $800, and it was on sale much cheaper. By the time you see this video, the price might change, and I will have a quote in description, you can check. I'm gonna test the brakes now to see how good the brakes are, because that's another thing to check, because this bike has a 160mm brakes. So I'll go about 16 miles an hour most likely. Yeah, actually it's even faster. Then I'll brake over here. So it's pretty decent brakes, not really squeaking. Bike is pretty comfortable to ride. The grip is good, the handlebar is great, and I think it's a very good quality bike. There is nothing loose on this bike, and I'm gonna talk to you about this bike more now. So the fact is that the bike is not designed for fast speed. The maximum load, I believe, is 245 pounds. It's a great bicycle for student or somebody who wants reliable and good quality bike without high speed and affordable, because people getting fast bike and they never ride as fast sometimes, and they crash, because going faster, it doesn't mean it's good. It's you have more risk to fall or crash. This bike is great for some beginners because it's very stable. I would not ride it without hands usually. Some bikes allow you, but I would not risk it first time. And it's a good bike because everything solid on this bike. The seat actually comfortable and long post. The suspension works good, even it's not adjustable. It has 6-speed, which you can easily customize with click, and it's all set up already. The brakes are good so far. So it's foldable, but remember it's 63 pounds, so it's a little bit heavy maybe. And this bike not for everyone, because if you need to bring this bike upstairs, it might be heavy. 63 pounds, it's heavy. Always fat bikes are heavy. So this bike pretty decent for the price you're gonna pay, and it's a great bike for somebody who is student, who wants to have a relaxed riding, comfortable and reliable bike. This bicycle comes with a headlight, and on the seat you will find the light. It's a simple switching button on here, give you like 3 modes. It's on the battery, and the mag wheels, it's actually easy maintenance and it's pretty strong usually. I think it's a great bicycle for the price you're gonna pay. The battery located right here, and looks like it's generic battery. You can replace it easily, and I believe ONEBOT will have them for sale as well. And I will try to put the bigger battery I have, the same size, to see if it will fit from another bicycle. So it's a generic battery inside. You can buy, I think, easily if you need to replace one, or if you need to extend your riding range. Easy to attach the rack, since it's already included over here, options to attach it. Seat post going all the way up. It's good to taller people. I'm 5'11", very comfortable to ride. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.